Hello students, now I am going to discuss the next topic, that is the concept of delegation of authority. Personally that is my favorite topic कि delegation means assigning work to others and giving them authority to do it. Means to say that whenever a journal manager is going to delegate their task to their juniors, means to say that he is going to give them authority to do it. Whenever you are studying the elements of a delegation, you are going to study the three elements. First one is the authority, second one is the responsibility, and the third one is the accountability. We will come upon the first element, that is the authority. Authority, the power or right to give orders and make decision and enforce the obedience. Means to say that कि आप किसी person को right दे रहे हो decision making का. I already told you decision making is to choose the best alternative amongst all the alternatives. Whenever you are going to working towards your project and general manager is going to give you the authority, means to say that ki whatever the resources you want to use that, how you are going to complete that project, that should be your decision, that would be your decisions. You are not dependent on the another decision ki another person is coming to tell you ki how you are going to perform that task. So that is the your decision ki how you are going to complete that task in a better way and to get a better results. So every job position within the organization should have a well defined extent of authority attached to it. Organization के अंदर हर job positions के साथ कुछ ना कुछ authorities जो होती हैं वो attached होती हैं. So that is the basic meaning of authority. Next is the authority is set to the following downward. Whenever superior is giving some task to the subordinate, means to say that superior जो है अपना task subordinate को delegate कर रहा है, so that term would be known as the delegation of authority. Delegate the authority. Employee at a higher level management have more authority as compared to the middle level or lower level. That is the simplest term. कि whenever you are talking about the top level managers, तो top level manager having a higher level of authority as compared to the middle level or lower level manager. So that is the simplest point कि authority जो है always top to bottom flow करती है और top level employees के पास हमेशा higher authority रहती है as compared to the lower level employee. So this is the basic concept towards the authority. So now we will come upon the second element, that is the responsibility. Responsibility refers to the obligation of subordinate to carry out the assigned task the best of one's ability and skill. Students, in English you always heard about two words, that is the should and must. Both the words having the same meaning, चाहिए. बट लेकिन मस्ट में आपको ऑलवेज ये बताया गया है कि होना ही चाहिए. सो दैट इज द वन अनदर वर्ड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, दैट इज द ऑब्लिगेशन. ऑब्लिगेशन मीन्स टू से दैट वी कांट डिनाइड, हम मना नहीं कर सकते. refers to the obligation of subordinate to carry out the assigned task. Whenever the superior is going to delegate the authority to subordinate, means to say that subordinate is now obligated to perform the task. Subordinate उस task को denied नहीं कर सकता. So he will carry out the assigned task the best of one's ability and the skill. कि वो अपने टास्क को अपनी बेस्ट एबिलिटीज और स्किल्स यूज करके परफॉर्म करेगा. सो दैट इज द सेकेंड एलिमेंट ऑफ डेलीगेशन ऑफ अथॉरिटी, दैट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज फ्लोज अपवर्ड फ्रॉम अ सबऑर्डिनेट टू हिज सुपीरियर. मीन्स टू से दैट authorities always flows downward, but the responsibilities always flows upward. Subordinate will do their task and he will tell the superior ki how he is going to perform that task. So that is the responsibility. Now we will come up on the third element, that is the accountability. Accountability is refers to the answerability. Answerability of an employee with respect to work for which he has been made responsible and the delegate authority. Accountability refers to the answerability. Means to say that कि आप उस काम के लिए answerable हो. Accountability is the obligation of individual to report formally to his superior. Flows upward from the subordinate to superior. ये भी upward flow करती है. बट अकाउंटेबिलिटी कैन नेवर बी डेलीगेटेड. हम अकाउंटेबिलिटी को डेलीगेट नहीं कर सकते. आई विल टेक अ सिंपलेस्ट एग्जाम्पल फॉर क्लियरिंग योर कॉन्सेप्ट. द फर्स्ट वन इज द जनरल मैनेजर एंड द सेकेंड वन इज द एम्प्लॉय 1 एंड द थर्ड वन इज द एम्प्लॉय 2. द फर्स्ट थिंग, जनरल मैनेजर इज गिविंग टास्क टू द एम्प्लॉय 1. मीन्स टू से दैट जनरल मैनेजर ने अपनी अथॉरिटी किसको दे दी, एम्प्लॉय 1 को. सेकेंड टर्म, एम्प्लॉय 1 ने अपना टास्क डेलीगेट कर दिया एम्प्लॉय 2 को. यानी जनरल मैनेजर ने यहां से डेलीगेट किया एम्प्लॉय 1 को और एम्प्लॉय 1 ने किसको डेलीगेट कर दिया, एम्प्लॉय 2 को. बट अथॉरिटी यहां से ट्रांसफर हो गई, बट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कहां से जाएगी, एम्प्लॉय 2 से एम्प्लॉय 1. एम्प्लॉय 2 जो है वो एम्प्लॉय 1 को काम करके दे रहा है और एम्प्लॉय 1 जो है जनरल मैनेजर को दे रहा है। बट आंसरेबिलिटी कहाँ पे फ्लो कर रही है? एम्प्लॉय 2 विल बी आंसरेबल टू एम्प्लॉय 1 और एम्प्लॉय 1 विल बी आंसरेबल टू जनरल मैनेजर, बट एम्प्लॉय 2 कैन नॉट बी आंसरेबल टू द जनरल मैनेजर। जबकि काम कौन कर रहा है? एम्प्लॉय 2। That's why accountability can never be delegated. जनरल मैनेजर ने अपना काम एम्प्लॉय 1 को दिया है, उसने अपनी जो अथॉरिटी है वो एम्प्लॉय 1 को डेलीगेट करी है, ना कि एम्प्लॉय 2 को। सो इन अ सिंपलेस्ट टर्म, एम्प्लॉय 1 सिर्फ एम्प्लॉय 2 सिर्फ एम्प्लॉय 1 के लिए आंसरेबल है, वो कभी भी जनरल मैनेजर के लिए आंसरेबल नहीं होगा। अगर एम्प्लॉय 2 ने वर्क परफॉर्म नहीं किया, अगर एम्प्लॉय 2 ने एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम फ्रेम में अपना काम पूरा नहीं किया, सो ही विल बी आंसरेबल टू एम्प्लॉय 1, he won't be answerable to the general manager, but employee 1 will be answerable to the general manager. Employee 1 will be tell the reasons ki why the work haven't performed on that time, why there is a lacking of some issues. So that is the accountability can never be delegated. हम accountability को कभी भी delegate नहीं कर सकते। Employee 1 ने authority को delegate किया, responsibility को delegate किया, बट अकाउंटेबिलिटी को डेलीगेट नहीं कर सकता वो, क्योंकि एम्प्लॉय 1 ही आंसरेबल होगा जनरल मैनेजर को। एम्प्लॉय 2 जो है वो कभी भी आंसरेबल नहीं होगा जनरल मैनेजर को। सो दैट इज द बेसिक मीनिंग कि एम्प्लॉय कैन नेवर बी डेलीगेटेड, accountability can never be delegated. The fixing of answerability ensures that subordinate is expected to provide regular feedback on the work assigned in terms of its progress. यानी answerability हमें ये ensure करता है कि whatever the work you are going to perform that is going to be performed in a better way or in a better conditions, or the work or project is completed on a time. So that is the basic thing ki status of its completion, problems if any, so it is only because of the manager can seek explanation from his subordinate. So with the help of accountability, a manager can seek explanation from his subordinate, or he wants the explanation from his subordinate ki how the work has been performed and how the work is going on. So this is the topic, that is the delegation of authority. So till then basically you will clear your concept in a better way, or stay tuned and stay with us. Thank you.